Hey folks! Julie here, back again, and today I'm excited to share a special recipe for vegan gingerbread cookies, perfect for celebrating the Christmas season. Let's make this delightful Christmas treat together that will charm your friends and family. Let's take a look at what you'll need. We start by mixing the spices with the flour, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. Ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and ground nutmeg are the secrets to creating that irresistible ginger flavor that everyone loves. In another bowl, our vegan butter combines with brown sugar, molasses, and vanilla extract. We mix until we get a creamy dough full of Christmas aroma. Now, we roll out our dough, cut our cookies into festive shapes, and place them in the preheated oven. The magic happens as the cookies begin to turn golden and fill your kitchen with that characteristic Christmas scent. After baking, we let them cool, and voila! Our vegan gingerbread cookies are ready to be savored. They are perfect for decorating or simply enjoying with a cup of vegan milk or hot tea. You can decorate them as you like with your favorite vegan sprinkles. Get creative. Liked it? Then remember to show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and sharing this cookie recipe with all your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Wishing you all a sweet and heartwarming Christmas.